Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia vehicle, any Kia vehicle. If you guys want to know what are the symptoms of bad sway barring on a Kia guys, we're going to explain that today. Now, also known as signs of bad sway barring, all that will be covered in this video. Even though we will be demonstrating on a Kia Optima, the video should be helpful on Kia Sportage, Sorento, Optima, Forte, So, and Kia Rio as well. So let's go ahead, explain that, and we'll also share something that you should always do if you replace one sway barring. Make sure you watch until the end. So, let us guys tell us a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We try to take them completely apart and show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return guys, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Something else, if you need to buy parts, tools for your Kia vehicle, we'll share the links in the description of the video below where we get all our tools and parts from. Check it out, parts for really good price and quick shipping as well. In addition guys, if you want to save even more money and learn how to fix your car for free, check out our main channel, Auto Repair guys. You can find so much helpful information that can save you thousands of dollars on future car repairs guys. We have helped more than 100 million people on this channel. So let's start on it now. So this is guys a sway barring. So let's explain about that sway barring now, where it's located, what it does, and we're going to share the symptoms with you. So that sway barring will be installed on most Kias guys. Okay, it will hold, okay, on one point will be installed to the strut, on the other side will be installed to the sway bar. You can see right here, this is on the left driver side, on the right passenger side will be exactly the same. The purpose of that sway barring is to connect the sway bar to the suspension, so that way guys, okay, when you're taking curves and turns, it makes your car really stable. Okay, if you don't have that thing, you will have really hard time keeping your car on the road, especially going through mountain roads, taking curves, turns at high speed guys, or on and off ramps. So now, what are the symptoms guys of those sway barrings? We have this one removed. If you want to see how to replace it, we have a special video that will teach you that on our channel guys. But this is the sway barring. When they first start going out guys, you will hear like a small rattle noise coming from the suspension when you hit a pothole, a bump, speed bump, anything like that. Now those joints should be really tight. They can get loosened to the point that they develop a play, and the more play you have, the more rattle and noise you will have from the suspension every time you hit a pothole. If your seal breaks guys, most likely your sway barring will be done in very short period of time, like this one. And you can see water got inside, rust formed, you have dust, dirt, everything, so it eats that ball joint, and as a result that will be quite a bit of play. So you will hear rattle and noise every time you hear a bump, okay, or go through uneven road. Now it can get so bad guys that that ball joint can fall out, and if that happens, okay, it's super dangerous because your suspension will be not working correctly and your car will be super unstable. So always guys, always if you hear a rattle noise, fix it on time before it's too late. Something else guys, another thing, if you replace one of them, replace the other one as well, and we have a video that explains how to do that. There is one trick that will make your life super easy, how to remove and replace sway barring on Kia, so please check it out. And it will take you probably less than 10-15 minutes replacing those. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.